Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I'm a content creator based here in Maryland. My goal with the channel is to be a resource to DevOps, creative thought, tutorials behind the screen content, and honest podcasts. So if you are into that sort of a thing, make sure you subscribe to join the Create crew. It goes a long way towards supporting this channel and to make sure that you never miss out. Our video related to Markdown and access YAML files are on my GitHub. The links are below. Today, we are going to be talking about how to enable Kubernetes auditing feature in Minikube. After you finish the video and exercise, you will deeply understand Kubernetes auditing feature and how to turn it on in Minikube. Video topic is my demo environment detail. What is Kubernetes auditing feature? How to enable Kubernetes auditing feature in Minikube. First topic is my Minikube demo hands-on environment. Operating system is Ubuntu and the version is 22.04, long-time support version. Docker version is 20.10.16. I use Minikube 125.2 in my demo. Next, we move to the what is Kubernetes auditing feature. Kubernetes does provide a very important feature, auditing, for helping to detect potential security events. All auditing details stored in auditing log. I put all Kubernetes auditing parts in the diagram. Kubernetes cluster audit activities generated by user, by application that use Kubernetes API, or by the control panel itself. Kubernetes auditing is on the API server. API server load audit-policy.yaml file when API server starts. If the policy file is changed, you have to restart the API server to reload it. Why the API server cannot load the policy file from config map? Because generally, we tell the API server to load the config map. If the API server no start, how it can load the config map? We'll run into the chicken-egg problem. The auditing log can give you answers for what happened, when did it happen, who intended it, what did it happen, etc. Request stage and auditing level are configured in audit-policy.yaml file. Audit-policy.yaml file path can set up in Minikube start command. Each request can be recorded with an associated stage. Request stage include request received, response started, response complete, panic. Panic stage is reached should an error occur. Request received stage is used in my demo. Audit policy defines rules about what events should be recorded and what data should be included. There are 4 auditing levels: none, metadata, request, and request response. None means do not log event that match this rule. Metadata level is used to log request metadata, but not the request or response body. Request level is for logging event metadata and request body, but not response body. It does not apply non-resource requests. Request response means log event metadata, request, and response bodies. When an event is processed, it compared against the list of rules in the order. The first auditing rule sets the audit level of event. Auditing log could be storage in persistent volume or use webhook to send Elasticsearch or Kafka. This content we just talked before. If you have questions, please leave a comment below. The link is audit policy example YAML file from the official Kubernetes website. You can base on the YAML file and your company security policy to create your audit policy file. We know the underlying auditing feature concept. I will do hands-on demo. How to enable Kubernetes auditing feature in Minikube. Log into my demo environment. The first step is create an audit-policy.yaml file in .minikube/files/etc/sl/certs folder. .minikube under your user home folder. Why I put audit-policy.yaml file in the folder? because when the Minikube starts, Minikube will auto-copy the highlighted folder from your local machine to the Minikube VM. Next step, start Minikube. Minikube start command has two etc. configs. One is audit-policy.yaml file path. Other one is apiserver.audit-log-path. The audit-log-path value is - means use the current API server log. Copy and paste the command to run. Start successfully. The two additional configs apply on the Minikube. The auditing feature enabled in Minikube. Next step, I will create a pod and insert the pod in the audit log. Open the YAML file folder and run kubectl apply command to create a Java app log generate pod. Copy and run. The pod are created. Finally, search the pod audit log. Command is kubectl logs kube API server name. The pod name is kube-apiserver-minikube. Namespace kube-system. Grep audit.kubernetes.io/vy to filter audit log, and then grep pod name Java app log generator. The audit log is filtered. This is audit log. All topics are completed. If you want to see how use Electrosearch to virtualize the Kubernetes audit log, please leave a message in the comment below. Today we learned Kubernetes auditing underlying concept, and I demo how to enable Kubernetes auditing feature in Minikube. Please remember, audit logging increases memory. The increased memory depends on auditing log policy. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and it was. Do not forget to like it. If you want to be a notification whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer. Thank you and see you in the next video.